Hi, I'm Dustin Foust with Classic Restorations of Southern Indiana, and I'm here with your Wizards Pro Tip of the Week. My pro tip for you this week is Shine Master and how to use it. We love the product. There's no shine better than Shine Master. Very easy to put on. We actually prefer to put it on by hand using just a simple foam applicator. Small circles, we work an area, foot and a half square. Put it on, let it fog up just a little. As long as you just let it fog up a little bit, come back with a microfiber towel, wipe it off, and you get a shine just like this.